Amomomburu, Romy Pepe, Kawumbutepe, Chevalho Canhu, Sapu Amiraisha, Kawupiaju, Aputa com Aisha, Uteshaga tras de aquellos montes, arroyos y cerros, yo imito doliente al Urutaú y mi lindo pueblo de largo destierro lleva la nostalgia del Maracapú. Esteemed faculty, family, friends, and my fellow graduates. Today I wish to reflect on the beauty of looking back, looking within, looking beyond, looking up, while always looking forward with faith. The song I quoted paints the picture of a brave journey, a person leaving home, looking back one last time before crossing borders into a distant land. Soon, the familiar scenery gradually fades, giving way to different landscapes. I sang Ka'atu in a blend of Guarani and Spanish, the languages of my native Paraguay. I realize that not everyone may understand these words. However, its sense of nostalgia and deep transformation is a language we all share today. As I look back, I imagine us graduates. A few years ago, packing our essentials, leaving behind certainty and stepping into the unknown. Studying at Royal Holloway became one of the most transformational adventures of our lives. We embraced the unfamiliar, while we missed home, familiar languages and affections. For many of us, learning English to express ourselves intellectually and emotionally was a struggle. We stressed over new words until we find humor in the word stress. For instance, in my research, 200 years of Latin American history was important. But because in Spanish we say bicentenario, I had to repeat bicentenary, bicentenary 200 times before I could get it right in English. And so we failed many times, and eventually we had some victories. Along the way, we learned to look both within and beyond ourselves, discovering that our greatest success was connecting with people from around the world. As we marveled at the orange brick walls of this beautiful campus, we brought down our own walls and found purpose. A purpose that does not only fills knowledge gaps, but one that illuminates life when we see others with love and understanding. Many of the best motivations in life are not found in abundance, but in scarcity. If I'm honest, there have been times when, upon looking within myself, I couldn't find my so-called passion. Instead, I felt anxious, reminded of what I lacked. But when I turned my gaze outwards, I saw the void as a calling. I saw God in the smiles of the people who loved me. And the day was filled with joy when belonging was no longer a place I left behind, but a sense of mission. For me, this milestone carries generations of resilience. My maternal grandmother, though illiterate, defied impossibilities by sewing blankets from potato sacks to keep her children warm at night and sending them to school in the mornings. Her vision became my mother's, and now it lives in me as the first Paraguayan woman to earn a PhD in ethnomusicology. Something happens amid countries and their sounds, and the bridges established between them, but the miracles of memory. Today, we honor the legacies that paved the way for us. We celebrate the connections that build between our past, our present, and the future we now step into. We say thank you to our professors, supervisors, university staff, parents, family, friends, our dear network, a lovely constellation of memes and emojis. And as we move forward, we may at times face fear, but as we look to the sky, we have so much to look forward to. Now, not everyone may know this song too, but celebrate good times. Come on, we did it!